Hello everyone, welcome back. We are back to the Sunday swings where we are going to do the analysis of the next week trades we are going to take. Technically, I'm also shooting this intro in my vlog as well, just to just to get recorded that hey, I'm also doing the vlogs. So technically, let's start signing off. I mean, I should be doing like this. Is it going to come? Keeping this camera this close is like just seeing my nose in the camera. Fuck. Alright, boys. Alright, boys. I will be back signing off. Let's do this. This show off thing. Alright. So, brother, let me check. This camera is cool. I can shift this camera over here. Camera is cool. Screen is share. Mic is on. Screen is share. Perfect. Let's start. Start, brother. Start. Before we start anything, Docs. Google Docs. I will tell you every single thing what we are going to do. Okay. So in this video, there are going to be three sections in this video. The first section is going to be the update. What the updation of the trading plan. First section is going to be updation of the trading plan. The second section is going to be before and after of the predictions, what I have predicted before the start of the week, and now we have end the week, what I have predicted has happened. That will be covered in a second section. The third section is going to be the pure analysis of the next week. If you are here to do the to look into what Udesh are going to take the trade, don't go on a third section. You have to go on a fourth section, which is the full summary. What I'm going to, which trades I'm going to look into, and what actually I'm looking into that currency technically. So let's start, because before I start, I'm so tired right now. Brother, I haven't drank water for almost 11 hours. 11 hours and 30 minutes, because right now I have just got ready, like brush and all. Don't get me wrong. I woke up at 6 o'clock, but I just can't do the brush and other things because mom and dad are sleeping. If I do these things, then they will wake up just because of they will get disturbed in their sleep. So I was like, yeah, fuck it. We'll get ready later on. So everything is good. All right. So let's start with the first section. The first section is going to be the trade. The first section is going to be the updation of trading plan. So let's start reading the trading plan. Trading success goal. I can zoom this. Probably. Let me check. The camera is coming up till here. The camera is covering up till this box. Okay, I have to make sure I keep the reading part over here. So, to become the financially free by consistently making 1% per month on $100,000 account, which equals to $1,000, which equals to 84,000 INR approximately. By following this trading plan, we can easily make 4.8% per month, which equals to $4,800, which equals to 39 lakhs $8,400. Sorry, INR. Pretty easy, right? Sorry, not 39. 3,98,400. That's it. INR. So long term goal is going to be having 4 funded account, minimum of $300,000 per account, total of $1.2 million funding, and making only 4.8% per month of $1.2 million, which is equivalent to $57,600, which is equals to 47 lakh 80,800 INR. Cool, right? Trading plan. Trades per week. We are yeah. I have modified the trading plan. So we are going to take only and only one trades per week. Risks per trade is going to be 0.29%, which is equivalent to $288.7, because we are down negative of 7.1. Yeah, finally this one day next dashboard is getting load. we able to sign in now in that. Um, yeah. So until get load, we'll look into it. Risk reward ratio minimum of 1 is to 2. Win rate is goes to 90%. Of course, because whole a month there are 4 weeks. So one trade per week we are going to take. So in a month we are going to take only 4 trades. In that, 3 trades is going to win and one trade is going to lose. Cool, right? That means less using of a brain. So if we are going to less use our brain and we are just going to take the 4 trades, tell me how in the world we're going to take the wrong decision in these 4 trades. It is so impossible. I mean, if you're going to take 100 trades, yes, there is very chances of doing the we are giving a lot of chances for doing the mistakes. If you're just taking 4 trades, I don't think there will be mistakes in that. Here we go for progress. Shit. So account type, sorry, funded account. This is like a $100,000. We are currently down. Okay, then which is like $92,866.02, which is 7.13 percentage. We are down, and maximum loss we have right now to blow this account is going to be. I just drank that water like anything. All the air also got inside. So $866 is the max loss. After we lost this, then technically we'll be blowing this account. And need for break even, how much we have to make to get to starting balance. Right now we are in negative, so how much we have to make to at least be in starting balance. So we have to make $7,133.98. Easy, easy. It's basically so easy like anything. You will like what 7,000? It's only 7,000. I have literally all the plans in this. We're also going to read that. Wait, why not to read that right now? This is why in the world I have kept the phone over here. Let me just keep it right there. Maybe that will be, yeah, that right there is just instantly. So the whole time required is going to be 12 weeks. Maximum of 12 weeks we're going to require, wait, one trade per week. If we're going to take the one trade per week, in 12 weeks we'll be into break even. We'll make that 7,000, and after on that 12th week we'll be withdrawing almost 5 to 7 lakhs will be coming into that. So, which is like 84 days, 9 May. On the 9 May, we'll be able to withdraw. Today is February, it is 21 February. So, March and April. That's a very long time. But we can faster this process by buying the new funded account, passing it, because right now we are using a very, very low risks. So, if you buy the funded account and if you just risks 2% in that, because we are going to take one trade, so we can risk a lot of percentage in one trade no matter what, and we can pass it like within 1 month. So I mean to faster this process, I have to buy the new account. So to buy the new account I need funds. I don't have funds technically, so I have to sell the course, or I have to do something where I can find the funds to get up, because it's not like 4 5,000. No, if it's not 4 5,000, it requires almost 50,000 INR, which right now at a stage where my mom dad hates trading, they will never give, and I don't even want to take the money from them for sure, not at all. I wanted to use my own money. So this is until we buy the new account and we do that things, we have to follow this plan. So first plan is maximum loss is $866. This per trade is going to be 288.7 dollars. Max loss is going to be 3 trades. If you're losing 3 trades, we'll be blowing this whole account. 3 trades is equal to 3 weeks is equals to, cool. So within 3 weeks, I don't believe like we can't win a trade, because I'm a god of market, man. I can predict the market. I can take the trades as well. So win rate is equals to 90%, because we are going. I wanted to take this as a 50%, but we are just going to take the 3 trades, which is going to be two is win and one is loss. I can't do the 50 50 1.5 1.5 not getting divided. So 3 is getting divided by 2 and 1. So our risk reward ratio is equals to 1 is to 2. That this true, if one trade is winning, we're winning 577.3 dollars. So two trades win 1,005 this much, $1,154.7. How much we'll be losing this one trade? So we'll be losing $288.7. Total money make after profit and loss calculation 866.07 9.0. This is what our profit will be for the 3 weeks time period, considering the one loss. So current maximum loss was $866. Money make within 3 trades, 3 weeks, 866. So total combining $1,732. So now next again $1,732 will be having the capital. Then we'll be risking per trade 577.3, and then max trade loss is equals to 3 trades. Win rate 90. Again the same thing. It is going to come like this thing is going to compound, and at a time will be at a place where we'll be at the last, I believe we will be able to withdraw $5,794.02 on a 12th week. So it is so easy, it is very easily achievable. That is why I'm saying it is so easy. And even if it is hard, I gonna have to say it is easy, because to care to tell to my brain and tell to my heart and tell to my psychology that yeah, it's completely okay. It's a part of a game and you can do it. So every single thing is on plan. So yeah, this is the plan. And why in the world this is not getting loaded? What the all right, so let's continue to plan. Weekly tracking table. This is a tracking table. I have done a billions and billions of dollars of mistakes, which is getting covered up. You wouldn't even believe what I have done. I maybe show. I maybe show. Minus. Oh no. NA. It's the same. No trades. Avoided a loss to perfection. Week 9. From week 9 is going to be 23 February to 27 February. 23. Oh, 23 February, 27 February. 23 February 2026. I can copy. Oh no. To 27. Let me just cover it. 23 to 27. Alright, this week target is going to be $500. We'll be making it. I hope. I mean, I have to see the market. I can't say anything. Notes: consistency is greater than speed. Stick to the plan. Stay patient. Focus on execution, not emotions. Okay. One plan, one process, one goal. Freedom. I have. She won't even. I have. I mean, I got so good in the trading that I just forgot about the strategy. I mean, I kind of forgot about this. No. I was knowing the strategy, but what happened? Why in the world I have been lost this much? Because I have read the book about psychology of what it is, discipline trade, no, trading in a zone, and in that guy said like, hey, you have to forget about money and you have to just focus on prediction. And I'm like, I, whenever I was, that is the reason that I don't think so. Maybe that may be the reason, but that is also the reason. That I'm not saying that is only the reason. I'm also saying that is also the reason that I was taking a low probability trade. I was like, yeah, I don't care if I lose the money because I don't think about money. So yeah, I think so. It is going to go up. Let's risk. And guess what? I have took a lot of low probability trades, and I have finally created the finally I have finally created the solutions for this. That is the checklist. I'm not going to sell this. I'm not going to show this to anyone anywhere and show this full. I'm going to show the one only 0.1% part of it, trading checklist. You won't even believe this is going to break and make of the trading. Now here we go. So there are three types of models in the trades which we are going to take. Okay, so this is the high probable models, the models which actually works. So if we're going to take the counter trend trade where the weekly is bullish and we think that weekly is going to go down, So daily and 4 hours we're going to take the trade. So what I'm going to look for, sell. Okay, I will click on sell. Then I just need to see these things into market. Like I will just show two points, and then I'm not going to show anything. Weekly, does weekly is bullish? I will just go into market and see does weekly is bullish or not. Okay, weekly is bullish, then I will just click check mark. If there is no tick mark, I can't proceed further and I can't take that trade. You won't believe this is like a step by step. Oh, have this? Yes, take this trade. Have I have this? No, I can't take that trade. So imagine uh, this is there, okay. And the next thing is, okay, this is a node. We have to see the doji or engulfing candle. Do we have the weekly doji? Oh, we do have weekly doji, tick mark. Then next is, do we have weekly engulfing candle? Oh, we do have the weekly engulfing candle, tick mark. And then that is how we go ahead. And guess what, this was a checklist for weekly, and that we have daily 4 hours, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, stop loss, final take profit, access stop loss, take profit, time, everything. Like I just can't lose in a trading now. Like I'm at a place where this thing works for me, and I'm at a place where it is very. I mean, it is it is very hard to do the loss in trading. I mean, it's very, very hard. You won't even believe how hard it will be to do the losses in trading if I follow the exact plan. Exact. So this is again, why I show you, because I just wanted to show you that I'm progressing. I have gone out of this is losses I have done because I have gone out of the plan, because I was having a lot of confidence on me that hey, this is going to go up. And when that loss happened, I check like, holy shit, this is not fitting into plan, and why in the world I have took the shit just because of emotional purpose. That right there was not good decision. So I have gone out of a trading plan for almost 8 trades, and 8 7 8 trades, and I have lost this much amount. So this is like every single loss is teaching me a thing. And now just tell me, this thing is like getting me ready for the bigger account. You won't even believe this thing is so huge. Yeah. So yeah, we have closed the first section. We have finished the first section. That is going to be the whatever first section. We updation of the trading plan. We have done it. So now let's go. Let's start with the second section. Is the second section is going to be the before and after. Before we start, I just need to check. Is the thing is recording? Stop recording. Timer is on. Screen is share, because yeah, I'm afraid because there was one time I was saying talk a lot like 15 minutes, and I was like, holy shit, the screen is not getting share. What the fuck. All right, you wanna see, like I wanna show you this. Look at this. Like why this? Wait. Before I go off track, I have to get into my track. Look at this. So we are going to start the before and after. Oh wait, not YouTube. We have to open the dashboard. We're not going to. Right, we are going to start the before and after. What the fuck? My video got blocked because I have used a lot of musics sound. So what my so before and after. So we are actually heading for prediction of what where my prediction was. I was in the right place. What was my last week prediction was, and does that happen? So I'm just not going to tell you this is what I have thought. I'm just going to directly show you. So this is 16 Feb to 20 Feb. 16 Feb to 20 Feb. This was the prediction video. Let's play it, and let's just let me show you what I have predicted, what has happened. Hello. Don't trust on my words. Because we just met. Yeah, looking for look. Okay, where is the summary video? Summary section. The fourth. We are looking for fourth section. Whenever I took take decision. Man, I got so good in this trading, man. Oh, wait. The camera position needs to be changed over here. So, look at this. Oh, wait.
Look at this.
Arey, yaar. I have to add this timestamp, man.
Let's see.
Fourth section. Fourth section.
And the worst part is this is coming on Wednesday and this is coming on Monday. If
Okay, so let me summarize. It has to find a lot. So, in Euro USD, I was thinking that it is going to go up. I was looking for buying, but then I was like, yeah, I only have the one trading opportunity in my hand, which is I was looking for only Euro JPY. So, I discarded Euro USD because I was having success in taking the trades on Wednesday.
this trade,
Wait, my mom came. I have to go on terrace for doing this. Just give me a second. I will be back. Yeah, I just came up on terrace. Before I do anything, camera is visible. Screen is getting share. It is also like it is also getting share. It's not stuck. It's getting share, right? Stop recording, and this is timer. Okay, perfect, perfect. So here we go.
and hit stop loss, hit
So yeah, so I was saying that so technically I was waiting for Euro USD to go up. Where is Euro USD? Here we go. So Euro USD haven't gone up, it came down. I have literally beautifully avoided a loss to the perfection. Every single thing was picture perfect over here. Every single thing. I am just not gonna lie. Literally every single thing was perfect. But then why in the world I haven't took the trade? Because I was having the only one gunshot and I was putting that gun. I wanted to put that gunshot into this Euro JPY. That is the reason I was focused on over here. I was just predicting this market. So I have avoided loss on Euro USD, which I have predicted it is going to go up, but then it came down. Avoided the loss to perfection. Then I was where it is. Where that? Oh wait. Acha, yeah, over here only. I was like, where is the YouTube?
profit. I can't take the trade on Wednesday.
Acha, then what I was waiting for Euro JPY, yeah. Look at this.
Exactly.
I was waiting for Euro JPY for daily candlestick closure on the area of interest. Man,
Okay, so now what we can do is
क्या कितना बड़बड़
so
कर रहे हो?
now I got one is
Oh yeah, over here.
trade. This looks so pretty and so proper. We'll be having a lot big trade and we could easily do this. But the only thing is
I was deciding what I should be doing. Where I want to show you like what I've said over here.
technically bearish. It is going to get bullish, but right now it's bearish. But in GBJPY, we
I
could
hate myself where I talk a lot. Like I should be knowing where it is. So low energy. It's not even good thing.
It looks good. If we're going to have this candlestick close dozy, then we are very much interested to take the trade.
Alright, so this is in simple words. I was waiting. Yeah, right now you have heard. I was waiting for the candlestick closure on the area of interest. Candlestick does close on the area of interest now on Friday. And guess what? We can't take the trade on Friday, right? And technically, we are right now at a place where we can't take the trade for the next week as well. I will show you why. All right, so I was predicting this. Let's fuck it, forget about that trade. So I was predicting. I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest to take the sell trade from here to here, but the daily candlestick never closed above the area of interest, never took the trade. On odd NZD, I was waiting for this candlestick to close on this area of interest where we just haven't closed. We just wake into the area of interest, but the prediction was exactly correct, which I have predicted right there. Where it is odd NZD.
My
Uh, Here we have odd
push
NZD.
loves. That's it. And now I'm going to only take one trade.
Such a bullshit boy. This guy is like
Push
talk a lot.
loves. That's it.
Talk a lot. You talk a lot, brother. You talk a lot. I will kill you. Okay, forgot about that. Just go and you check it, man. I'm only not be able to find. Fuck. So I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure on the area of interest, which never happened. Never took the trade. Prediction was exactly correct. But can I show the prediction odd in the D? I'm not here to prove you anything. I'm here to just you know just to just to prove myself. Like yeah. Yo, yo. Odd in the D. Hey. Over here, orange that is there. No, that means we need to go ahead. Over here, in orange that is getting shortlisted. Odd cat, no. We need to go more ahead. Any orange ZD currency you can able to see. No, we need to go more ahead. Hey. Any orange ZD can you able to see? Holy shit. What the fuck is this? This is like a time pass, man. Yeah, over here the last currency is orange ZD.
Wednesday. Just take a hyperbole setups. That's it.
I will improve, man.
All the structure that we are about with current take profit level, which is this.
Oh yeah,
We
this
can
is orange ZD.
just little bit take this down so that will be. I will just draw it one more. That's it. Yeah. Or daily doji candle. And a daily doji. If we're getting a daily doji right there, I'm very much interested to take the buy trade. If we
Look at that. I said I'm very much interested to take the buy trade, man. It is going to go up, but I'm going to improve myself. I talk a lot, and I haven't even added the timestamp over here. It's not even good thing. So I will look into it. I will work on it. So this is not a. I mean, whatever I have predicted has happened, but there was no candlestick closure, no trade taken. And so GBP USD, I beautifully also avoided the loss over here. Every single thing was correct, but I was just focused on Euro JPY. Easily avoided the loss right there. So GBP JPY. On the other hand, I was waiting for the candlestick closure on the area of interest, which never happened, never took the trade. Euro USD, which we have done. GBP CAD, I literally also avoided the loss to the perfection because I was waiting for the taking the buy trade right there. But I was waiting for the daily candlestick closure above this candle, never closed the candle, never took the trade. Easily also avoided the loss. So prediction rate is what we can give the prediction probability rate. What is the probability of what is the win rate? So prediction was it is going to weak. I need a daily candlestick closure to go down. So we technically got the daily candlestick closure, but it was Friday. Market got off. That was a correct. Second, that means correct. Let's add the one trade in our correct prediction. That means 100% predicted. Odd NZD. I was waiting for the candlestick closure on the area of interest, and I was waiting for taking the buy trade to go up. Never candlestick closure, but the price gone up. That means my prediction was correct, but I haven't took the trade. If I could easily take the trade, but it was very high risk. Second, the third, GBP USD. I was waiting for the day. I mean, I have traded this, but it haven't gone up. Haven't took the trade, but I have predicted that this is going to go up, which haven't gone up. So, what we can say is, I haven't took the trade in this. So, can I consider this or can I not consider this? I don't know. I mean, we can consider this as क्या करूँ यार? I don't know man what I should be doing. We're just talking about prediction. Okay, so two prediction was correct. One prediction was not correct. This is we are waiting for going up. One prediction is again not correct. We're waiting for daily candlestick closure over here. It is super sideways, not correct. So again, second, two currencies we have predicted which not happen. This the thing which we have predicted, or Euro USD. I predicted that it is going to go up. Third currency which is not following what I have predicted. So two currencies what I have predicted has happened to the perfection. Three currencies haven't followed the plan, haven't followed the prediction. GBP CAD, I have said that it is going to go up, but when it is going to go up after this candlestick closure above this candle, that means it haven't closed. If the candlestick is not going to close above, that means it's going to go down. It's basically same. Basically it. If it wanted to go up, I want daily candlestick close above this candle. If that candle, wait, what? I thought it was a snake. You saw my expression. I was like, fuck. So the candlestick haven't closed up, though it is not going to go up. It is going to go down. It's simple. Like so we can see like three currencies I have operated. Three currencies I have operated which not happened, not to the trade. Three currencies I have operated has happened to the perfection, but not to the trade. 50% win rate we can say, we can talk about 50% win rate. That's awesome. That's awesome. But yeah, it is what it is. So let's so yeah, I think so. We have we finished the second section. That is a before and after. What I have predicted has happened to the perfection or not. So now we are heading towards the next section, which is the pure analysis. All right. So let's de-shortlist these trades to do the re-analysis on all the currencies. All right, boys, are you ready? Okay. I'm reviewing every single thing over here. So we are below. Alright, let's do it whatever it is. Let's close this. Alright, we are above this structure. Whenever we are wait, I need to shift this camera right here. We can do this. Screen recording is on. Stop recording. OS is not getting is. Mic is on. Mouse is getting share. Screen split says share. Perfect. So let's start. I'm just a guy who just like wanted to be a picture perfect. I don't want to make any mistake. All right. So yeah, this doesn't look a good trade because we are technically this is. If we just talk about as this as the area of interest, we look good for taking the sell trade, but you will not be able to see that this is also the area of interest where whenever we are above we buying, whenever we are buying, whenever we are above we buying, and right now we are above. It is so illogical to take the sell trade because I have the track record of whenever I took the sell trade over here I do the loss. Also the daily it looks good for taking the sell trade, but also like look at this in in I think so I have the track record. Like I think so I've took this trade on December. Yeah, exactly, I've took this trade on December, but there was no take profit, so I have lost that trade. I can show you. Wait, let me show you right now, because whatever I say I have to. Why we lost over here that December, right? December 31. Here we go. GBP CAD. I know the currency Here we go, GBP CAD. Look at this. Look at, there was no take profit. I have took that trade and hit the stop loss because whenever we are above, we're buying, and we came back to again to that place. Whenever we are above, we are buying, and also we are above the EMA. It doesn't looks good, like I just don't like this. But if this candlestick is going to close below this candle, brother, we good. We're going to take the sell trade like anything. Right now, I personally don't feel like it is a good trade. It is really not a good area of interest. Even if we're going to do this, or even if we're going to do this, I mean, I just don't see that this is a good trade. Like, this is super choppy zone. Nah. That is the reason I'm not interested in this. Euro USD. Let's close every single thing, and let's just do. Let's just see what we. So, Euro USD got bearish like anything. Why in the world Euro USD got bearish? And this is so urgently got bearish. You know, I mean, it is very weird. If like, I will show the example as this example is in front of me. If the market in weekly time frame is getting shifted urgently bearish, there is something in somewhere wrong. And the push is going to be so high like anything you won't even believe. Like, look at this. This was bearish, but it shifted urgently bullish, and look this. It just pushed to the upside. The same way. It have urgently shifted bearish. So we can easily take this trade from, but the issue is this is the area of interest. Whenever we are above, we are buying, and whenever we are under, we are selling. And we are right now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're right now above this area of interest. I'm not gonna lie, brother. This is doesn't looks good. Daily also got bearish. No, daily is still bullish. And that thing right there is not fitting in my plan. I will not take the trade. No, of course not. Um, Either I need the one more candle to close below. If the candlestick below close below this area of interest, we're going to make a lot more money. Lot more money. You won't believe. But the thing is, right now I just look at this. Also daily, whenever we are above, we buying, above buying, above buying. We are also above the weekly EMA. I still believe, like, what I believe right now is it needs a bit type of retracement down there. It is going to retrace, create the higher low, and then push to the downside. It is going to do, like, I know this is going to go down. Like, look at this is going to come up, create the higher low, and then push to downside, and that is how it is going to close as the weekly. Oh shit, look at this. This is so true. Look at this. Like, I am I'm a bit shocked. Look at this. We can do like this. This is the previous structure area of weekly. Look at it is going to weak, and it is going to go down. Uh, I don't know. I mean, then it is going to retrace. It is going to give the engulfing candle on the daily. Also, we will be having the EMA. It is there. Okay, every single thing is there. Just the thing is the thing is like the thing which I'm able to see that whenever we are above, we are buying, and I'm right now at a place where I have to take the high probable setup. I couldn't just to take this low probable setup. Okay, if we can also do like this, that, like this. This will change the whole game now. We can do 1, 2, and there is only 2. We can consider this as 3, but it's not probable. I need to consider this. So 1, then 1, 2, and we can talk about this 3. Even we can talk about, no, we can't talk about this. 1, 2, 3. This is the area of interest. 88% battery. Screen recording is on. So we can into this, and we can come up here. That thing can happen. Okay, that right there can happen because yeah, this is also the area of interest on it daily. One, two, three, four. Probably it is there, brother. But uh, I'm not gonna lie, brother. Like this is there, no. This is there, brother. This is whenever we are under, we are selling. Whenever we are under, we are selling. So it should be whenever we are above, we should be almost should be buying. So let's go back in a time and look at this. This is the area where whenever we are above, we're pushing like anything. Under we're selling, above pushing like anything, above pushing like anything. And right now we are above. Mm, 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 mm. What we can do is we can like this is going to be our first take profit. Okay, we can what we can do like I will tell you no matter what we can take the sell trade. Oh yeah, you know how in the world I forgot to tell you this. Wait, I will show you the magic. I have read this what it is trading in the zone where it was talking a whole thing about psychology. It is like it's not market is making us fear about the losses. It's not about market, it is fearing what thing is causing market to do that we feel that pain in. If I'm buying this currency, I'm saying that it is going to go up and the market is going down, then it is paining me, it is giving me pain because I'm literally seeing that it is coming down, it is like a red candle, red is equals to loss. Then there is there is a very easy solution for it. Just close all the colors. What the fuck? Now tell me, is there any emotions out there? Emotions are coming from the colors. I got this. Look at this. Like we just can't even pretend what the color of this candle. If there is no color, there is no fucking trade. I mean, there is no fucking emotions are getting. Even though we control anything, everything, we still will be believe red is a danger. And look at how it will change. Like look at this. Like oh shit, red and oh fuck, like something is wrong. Right. So this trade is I'm only going to take it when it is going to give me. Oh wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Delhi is still bullish. Delhi is still bullish. I have to remind Delhi is still bullish. Sorry, sir. I can't take this trade. I have this thing. If weekly bearish, 4 hours is bearish. The model is going to get prepared. 4 hours is also bearish, man. So we got two time frame in sync. So in my checklist, I haven't created a checklist of the two time frames sync, that is weekly and the 4 hours. That right there is I haven't created it because I have also success ratio of that because on September I remember the date even on September 15 I have took one trade or September 16 I took the trade and which I end up closing where it was at a break even because it was coming down, and when I close it and it just pump up like I was like yeah that right there was a daily was bearish, but in a market structure if we talk about daily is bearish. So I need a candlestick closure over here, then an engulfing candle doji and then engulfing candle, then I will be able to take the trade even though the daily is bullish. I mean, now I have to. I mean, I can do this. Or like, wait a minute. Let me ask myself: am I taking this decision because of because of money which is I'm going to make with this prediction? Probably because this is like the good trade. I know this trade is going to work time after time because I have the data as well. The only thing is matter is like daily is bullish. That's it. The rest is okay. Not awesome. Just okay. Mm, Alright, what we'll do. I am interested in this trade. Even though daily is bullish, the structure is bearish. I need these things, okay? Wait, let me tell you. When we are looking for sell, probability is medium. So if I'm going to get a very good trade from this, like this probability is medium because daily is bullish. If I'm going to get the other currency which is very much greater than very having high probability, I will like I don't want to trade in Euro USD. But if I'm going to take the trade on Euro USD daily retracement candle, then second thing which I want is after retracement daily doji candle. So it is going to be take 2 days, which is going to be on Wednesday. We're going to look into it. So weekly is bearish, daily is bullish, 4 hours is bearish, and also I need 4 hours to go bearish. Okay, I will type it over here because 4 hours to go. That is a mandatory. If we got this Dows and whatnot, if 4 hours is bullish, that thing right there is not even going to make any sense. So I am interested in this when and only when we got the daily candlestick closer, daily doji, and the 4 hours. Now 4 hours, 4 hours is bullish. Let's type it over here. 4 hours is bullish. Man, there is so much sun rays I can able to see, feel actually. 4 hours needs to go bearish. If we got these three things, yeah, then it is very high chance that we're going to go to the downside. First take profit is going to be this, of course, but then I will be monitor the time frames, and I will trail the stop loss to this. We'll look into it. This is the thing. Euro USD, I mean, but only if I got these things. If not, nope, I'm not interested in you. But again, if I have the very good trade in the next currencies, other currencies, I'm not going to even consider this trade. CAD JPY. This is so beautiful trade, like beauty. Like this is a trade which we must be looking into. This right there is the trade which is going to make us money. Not money, a lot of money. But where it is right now, I will show you. Wait. I will just show you. Okay, that why in the world Safari is like not working good. Wait, my phone is now it is not loading right now at a place where we are getting a very like my phone is having like a 2 Mbps speed, but why in the world it is not getting consumed? That's the main question, right? What the fuck is this? Like if I'm going to refresh the YouTube on my phone, it is working. Look at this, like 3.2 Mbps right now. I want to show you, man. Why in the world I'm not be able to show you? I am going to show you. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It works. Trading things and trading checklist. And look at this. Like weekly created new structure. Is it now? Now this is not train trade. We are going to look into train trade. We're looking for sell. Now you guys get ready to open your eyes. Okay, are you ready? So now just remember this pattern. Okay, just remember. I will literally zoom it. Okay, now I'm going to open your eyes. Weekly got bearish. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. Okay, week and we are looking for sell because all the time frames are low. Okay, all the time frames are bearish. So let's see. Okay, does weekly is bearish? Okay, we'll go and check. This is a lower low. This is lower high. Yeah, weekly is bearish. Let's stick on this. Now next one more thing I'm going to show you. Do one more thing I'm going to show you. Do we have weekly retracement candle? That is this candle. Do we have? Oh, we do have the retracement candle. Okay, Udesh. Let's tick mark on this. Let's go on the next. Oh, the next is, do we have weekly doji candle? Oh, we don't have the weekly doji candle. We can't take this trade. Oh, so what we were waiting for? Weekly doji candle. Look at that. Like exact. Look. So similar pattern. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Wow. Wow. Just WOW. This is what we are looking into. Brother, look at this. Look at this, brother. What are we waiting for? The weekly doji. That's it. That's simple. NZDJPY again. Now, nah, this is nothing. Is it? Let me check. Yeah, this was nothing. I was just doing one thing. Yesterday I was blown up because I was like, yeah man, I need to make money from trading. What the fuck I'm doing? Again this week we don't have trades. Can we do again intraday? Can we? And I'm like, this thing intraday is not going to work, brother. This thing is not going to work. Even if I try to make it work, it will just make it loss because we are not an intraday trader. We are swing trader. We are master the swing trader. Intraday trading, who is doing the intraday trading, is we have to learn from him, and I don't have. I can learn from him, but I can't because if I learn from him, I will mess up my swing trading things. It is so like you won't even believe. And this third thing is like I mean, let it be forward. Okay, NZDJPY is a bit crazy. What the fuck it is doing right now? I am just not interested in this trade because what is this like? What rubbish is this? Like it has stopped in middle of the road. Why? Like why? Is there any structure? And the structure is 2014. Uh, Not even valid. I'm waiting for this candles to close over here. Then I will be interested in you. Sorry, it is very likely it is going to come to a push or downside. It is very likely. This 4 hours is bearish. 4 hours is technically creating the higher high and the higher low. If the candlestick close below this candle, it is going to push to the downside. But am I going to take the trade? Of course not. We are in middle of the road. There is no area of interest over here. Is there any daily area of interest? There is also no daily area of interest. 2024. There is no daily area of interest. We are going for 2014. The it is not even valid. Sorry, sir. I just don't want to come. Skip. GBPR. What the fuck? It is happening over here. Look at that. Look at that, brother. This is so brilliantly. It is creating a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Now it is. We're just going to wait for the retracement. It is going to push to downside, but I'm not going to take the trade. What is happening to GBP odd, man? What is happening? I don't like to take the trade which is so low. Sorry. Even if I feel like this is so beautiful, I can't. Euro JPY and CAD JPY and Euro JPY is exactly same. Euro JPY and CAD JPY. Look at this. It is are the exactly same currencies. But the only thing is again the same thing. I'm waiting for the weekly doji candle because it looks so brilliant, man, to take the sell trade right now. But as per the checklist, I must be wait for the weekly doji candle because all the whole week that it is going to be sideways when it is looking good. 80% of times this market goes sideways and we do loss for this doji candle week, and then after doji candle created, then we are going to make money. So I don't want to do loss right now. I want to take the very very precise trade, not to take the trade like this. It is like simple, brother. Like, if you want, if you want, you want me, we can. Fuck. If you want, I can show you. Look at this. Whenever we are, whenever we are retracement, I can show you, man. Like, look at this. Whenever we are having the retracement, we going to have the doji and then we flip. So whenever we retrace, whenever we flip, whenever we are whenever we are having a retracement, we need to have the doji. Without doji, it doesn't work. Let's go on OrdCAD. OrdCAD is काय म्हणायचं त्याला. It is looking so good for taking the buy trade. It is like break of high. But I can't take this trade because we are so up. It is very likely that it is going to have the retracement. We are approached to the very great structure. We're going to if we do have the engulfing candle to the downside, brother, there is going to be very high probability chances of taking a sell trade from here to very down. Euro odd, all the odd currencies are either so top or so bottom. Not liking it at all. Euro GBP. In Euro GBP, my prediction was, oh, this is going to create the red candle like this, but my prediction was wrong because it has created the blue candle, and not good. Okay, so we are currently doing nothing. If we're going to have the doji candle over here in weekly time frame, we're going to take the sell trade to the downside. It's like beautifully create a lower high to create a new lower low, but I don't think so. It is going to have the doji candle. I believe it is just going to pump to the upside because the way it is pumping, it is going to continue to pump to the upside. I don't see like it is going to go down, at least for now. It is going to continue to create the higher high and higher lows. Am I going to take this trade? Probably. This weekly is bearish. Let's see. Daily is bullish. Man, there is so much heat around me. The sun is burning my face. So this is the structure. We have close above it, so we're just going to wick and we're going to push to the upside. We're going to come back, create the higher low, retest the EMA, and we are going to push to the upside. But it's a bit crazy. I don't like this because I mean I like it, but I don't. This is probability of going up. Yeah, it is there, but probability of coming down is also there because at a place where it usually need to create a doji or slowdown movement, buying where the people are going to sell is not an ideal thing. GBP USD. Look at this. Look at this. We have came to the oh. Is this going to come to the downside? Oh, let me just delete all of this. All right, my brother. So we are very much 1 2 3 points, and we are under this area of interest. Looks like it is going to continue to go to the downside. Weekly is going to get bearish, and we are going to retest the EMA as exactly like Euro USD. It is continue to go to the downside. GBP USD is also continue to go to downside. Should I take the sell trade? That's a question. We'll look into it. There's also a structure. Oh, daily is bullish. Sorry, I can't take this trade. Daily right there is bullish. Not a good trade. I just don't want to see that. Look at that. It is not looking good. We usually having the slowdown moment. Not looking good. GJ, we created a doji candle. You know why? Because we're going to have the retracement from here to here. There is going to be a buying opportunity If the candlestick going to close above this candle, will be continued. We can buy from here to here. It's ideal thing or not? That a good thing? We need to buy the daily if daily is bullish. Daily is bullish. Let's see. 05208.05 208.19 huh? 4519. It's a bit crazy. Daily is going to get bullish once the candlestick is going to get close above this candle. And 4 hours, how about 4 hours? 4 hours also got bullish. Yeah, this looks good, but the take profit is bit close. I mean, I think so we can take this trade. Let me just delete all of this. Okay, look at this. Because why in the world I feel like it is going to create this candle, just like this candle, leash candle, leash. And this looks so probable, man. I can't even believe. Once this candle is done, then it is going to create the red engulfing candle to the downside. And this is going to GBP JPY. Once this candle is going to come, the rate, then the next week we're going to push to downside. All the currencies are also going to push to downside because it is going to create a doge and it is going to push to downside. You may ask like why in the world this looks so brilliant, man. Okay, I like this counter trend trade. Look into it. Look into it. Alright, so first structure there is probably nothing over here. Okay, we can mark this. Oh, this is super daily. The first reaction is going to come from here. So we can consider this as well, like 1 to 3. But I want to be more precise over here. So this is like a daily is if daily candlestick. I mean there is always if daily candlestick is going to close above this candle, then we are waiting for the retracement, a weak retracement to go to the upside. Was also going to create the 4 hours higher high, higher low, boom. Very good, very good. I mean it is a good trade. I'm not gonna lie. It's not an excellent trade, but it's a trade. Alright, so I'm just waiting for the daily candlestick to close above. Once daily got bullish, we'll be get the break, and then we'll wait for the beautiful retracement. Like this is going to be so brilliant. Like we'll be get the retracement. The EMA is also going to use as a dynamic support, and we're going to go up. This looks brilliant. I like this. I'm not gonna lie, I literally like this. So yeah, I'm going to shortlist this trade. This trade looks more good than Euro USD. If I'm going, I will be looking into taking the trade GBP JPY than Euro USD for sure. That's 100% sure because in this thing we have two time frame in sync, which is daily and 4 hours, which is we have that counter trade. So let's go on over here. Trend trading checklist, counter trade. We're looking for buying. Does weekly is bearish? Okay, does weekly is bearish for buying? Do we need weekly bearish? Weekly is bullish, man. So is it a counter trade? Counter trade is like selling over here, man. This what type of model is this? Then weekly is bullish, man. Counter trade technical. This is not. This is like a trade. So going to buy. Does day weekly is bullish? Yeah, weekly is bullish. Oh, look at this. Weekly retracement candle doji. This model can work. Does weekly is bullish? Yeah, weekly is bullish, creating the higher high and the higher low over here. So weekly created doji candle. Weekly is bullish. Weekly created retracement candle. Yeah, we do have created a retracement candle. Okay, we do have created. Do we have weekly doji candle? We do have the weekly doji candle. Beautiful. I sorry, I can't go down. I want to go down, but the checklist is getting match over here because this is like a trained. Every single thing is up. I like this. I certainly like this. Weekly is bullish. Daily is also bullish. 4 hours is also bullish. Okay, so let's type over here. Weekly is bullish. Daily is bullish. 4 hours is bullish. Bullish. So I want to wait for daily to go bullish. Oh, sorry. Daily to go bullish. Daily is right now bearish. How in the world I forgot this? Looking for buying. Probability is, yeah, the probability is high. I'm not gonna lie. This is like the weekly is bullish, creating a higher high. This is not a near elbow. I want to see GBP JPY on the Oanda. Yeah, we do have created a new leg to the dance. Yeah, we do create it. Looks good. Looks good, my brother. So we're just waiting for daily to go bullish. I will also have the visual representation of this candle close above this. Waiting for this. Yeah, technically I'm waiting for daily candlestick close above this candle. Then I'm waiting for the retracement to go up. Doesn't it sounds good? We're looking for buy daily to go bullish. Yeah, one day, which is going to be on Tuesday. TUESDAY. We look into on Tuesday. So weekly is bullish, daily is bearish. 4 hours is bullish. It's going to create like this is going to be awesome, man. 1 hour. Oh, look at this. 1 hour also going to get bullish. Right now it's creating lower lows and lower high. This is more probable than Euro USD. I'm not gonna lie, brother. This literally is more probable than Euro USD. And also it's like once the candle close up, it's going to boom pump upside because it's so close. It's like a 1 2 3 days. What the fuck? How in the world does tree have flicker itself? Insects are there insects. GPGPY I like it. Risk is low, probability is higher. Looking for buy daily to go bullish once this candle is close. Weekly bullish, daily bearish, 4 hours bullish. So even here we're going to keep as 20%. So there's going to be a trained trade. Alright, so every single thing which we want is we have. We have brother, we have brother, we have. This looks high probable. USDJPY on the other hand, look at this, where are we? We are at a spot where it has to create a doji like HIS. It has to create. Oh, I need to see this pattern. Oh, okay. That is the reason it just pumped to the downside. I see. Okay. Yeah, bro. Like, you wouldn't believe what I found. Wait, let me just type it on my phone because I can't type it on my Mac. I have to close that thing. Look at this, man. Why in the world I haven't saw this? Wait, I have to create this. No. Notion. I want to add a photo as well over here. Tasks. TSKS. Image. No, I can't add. Fuck. So USJPY, I saw that. Oh no, I shouldn't say this. Saw that. When the done, brother. This is going to be break and make. You want to believe? I could easily make the profit, man. Shit, how in the world I have? Ah, if I were knowing about that, could easily make bullshit thing happen. Bullshit thing happen. Okay, okay. At least I learned. At least I got. I'm not going to share you what I have saw, but whatever I saw, I saw. Okay, we need a doji candlestick over here. Not interested. Euro cat. Oh, looks good. Now it looks good. Now this thing looks good to me. But this is bit sideways. I should avoid this trade. Let me just analyze this. If the things make sense, we'll look into it. If the things doesn't make sense, well, it doesn't look into it. Nah, folding the legs is not an option over here. This is the one. This is the two, and this is the third area of interest. This right there is a take profit area. Can we take the trade in middle of this? No, no, we can't. Sorry, sorry, we can't. This is not looking good. I told you. GBP it is. Oh, look at this. Look at that. Now, daily also got bullish. Now this is getting ready for the trade in the first week of February, March. First week of March. In the next week, we'll be having the beautiful engulfing candle right there. Oh, beautiful engulfing candle right there. And in an after the next week, that is March 1, first week of March, we'll be taking the buy trade from here too. This looks brilliant. Also, there is one other currency. CAT GPU also we're looking for. Like this is brilliant. We're getting a lot more trades now. As a market is moving a lot, we're getting a lot more trades. We're getting a high probable setups. Looks good. Odd USD slowdown moment. Daily is bullish. Not interested. This is sideways. I will never ever take the trade. CHF JPY. What the we are doing in CHF? Retest Doji. Is this going to go up or what? The daily is bearish. Looks so choppy. This is not. This doesn't look good to me. Not gonna lie. This is right there. Let me check it once more. No. Euro NZD. Whatever I say, it happens. Whatever I say, it happens. Wait a minute. Let me just show you Euro NZD. No, no, I want to show you, brother. History, where it is. YouTube. Earlier today, YouTube. I'm getting good in using Mac.
Yeah.
Euro NZD. Let me just find it. Euro NZD somewhere down there. What the? Euro NZD. Nope. To go down. Euro NZD now. We refresh. Euro NZD. Euro JPY. Euro. Achha, it's still there. Mhm. Now it's still there. Okay, we gone We gone inside the camera, so I have to see like which currency we are looking into. That's a USGPY. Next is Euro CAD. Next is or NZT. Next is Euro JPY. Oh, what the fuck was that? What a shortlist even trade? NZD CAD. Where it is? Euro NZD. Where I want to see, man. Euro NZD. Euro CAD. Odd NZD. Wait, let me do this like this. I hate this loading. Odd NZD. No. Am I following like this? Ah, okay. Got it. So this is like a bottomest point.
It's 1 o'clock.
GBP NZD. Where I am GBP NZD. Okay, we are here. We need to go down more. Okay, means we have to shift more and more. What
Look at this.
currency on NZD CAD? Where it is NZD CAD? Oh, that means two currencies. I need to go back. So NZD CAD. NZD CAD. Okay, or NZD. Okay, or NZD previously.
Check.
क्या बोलते हो भाई?
So
The only reason here, man. I talk a lot, man. I just speak a lot.
going to do it.
Odd NZD. I want to see the currency behind odd NZD. Before odd NZD. Which is before. Oh shit, so much time pass, man. I got it. Look at this. GBNZ, look at this.
Going to have the engulfing candle.
Look at this. Wait. We just see.
Because I don't have the clue why. See, we are going to have the engulfing candle in the next week, and then in the next week.
Look at this GBPNZ. I told you we're going to have. Oh, this is Euro NZD. Shit, GBPNZ. Where the fuck is GBPNZ? Oh, GBPNZ. How I skipped this, man? GBPNZ was going to have the engulfing candle. Euro NZ. Arey yaar. Fuck it, man. I want to see, man. Where the. I think I saw it. Here we go.
Read this movie.
That's a GBPNZ only. I will not give up. I will keep it finding. Oh, we got it.
Our whole week is in one
Euro NZD, look at this.
side. No,
Look at this, like, just
I
listen.
don't like
Just listen to me.
that. Our whole week is in one side. No, like when I see this daily, whole week good shit. Like look at that. Like when I see this daily, whole week is in one side. No, sorry, stay away.
Oh, I didn't say anything about. Probably said about GBP NZD. Fuck. फालतू में time waste किया. I have wasted my time. No, that's not good. What I'm going to do from now. I'm literally going to add this timestamp from here to here. It's a one currency analysis from here to here. Other currency here, and the recap. Like every single thing, I'm going to be detailed so that I can get the things which I wanted to have. This is so beautiful. Like we got the doji, we got the beautiful engulfing candle, slow probable engulfing candle, but it is what it is. Okay. The daily need to be bullish. Daily is not bullish. Sorry, can't take the trade. Daily need to be bullish because we are already in a bearish place of the. Oh man, I have predicted this move, man. I literally have predicted this move to the perfection, but I won't be able to take this trade. Damn. I believe this exact same thing is going to happen in a previous currency, which I was like, this is sideways. Exactly, like this is exact same. Uh, Daily need to be bullish. Even daily is bullish in structure. In structure, can take that trade, but no. If there is nothing clear, sorry, I'm clear on myself. Odd NZD did the things which I wanted to do. I never used trend line. I saw a video of it about trend line. I'm like, really, it is work? Is this really going to work? So we are. Oh man, this is like a free fall, brother. Free up or fall. Literally going to go up. Can we? Can we take the trade like this? Come back, retrace over here, create a higher low, and then go up. Can we? It's odd in ZD, right? Odd is pushing to the downside. That means this is pushing to the upside. What odd cat is doing? Pushing to the upside. Then odd NZ is also going to push to the upside. Oh, look at this! This is beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. The previous structure area of daily, this area of interest is the fair value gap of the weekly. The weekly. Oh man, this is. I think so. This is more probable, man. This still looks good, man. But the daily is going to get bearish, which is going to get bullish once the Dow J candlestick is going to get created on a daily. I can literally see the future. Fuck yeah. Look at this. Ah, this is also good trade. I'm not gonna lie. I need a retracement. Okay, then I need the doji candle. Once that happen, then the 4 hour, that means 4 hours is going to get bearish, and from bearish to bullish, the process of converting from bearish to bullish is going to create a daily doji candle, and once that happen, we'll be going to take the trade from literally. This looks good, and the take profit, brother. This is going to be the huge thing, brother. The take profit. This is the structure which is going to come, and this is like 2006. This thing is going to pump to the upside like anything. I can see that. Like look at this. Look at this as well. Can take it down. Oh yeah, it is going to. I can see these things, man. It's going to wick and it is going to go up. Just because of I can see it. Am I going to take it? We'll look into it. Whatever looks good, I'm going to take it. If what it is, if Euro USD kick out, just kick out. I don't. If GBP JPY, if GBP JPY haven't daily haven't got bullish, and if I'm going to get this as a retracement and doji, I will look into it in this currency only, or NZD, to take the trade to the upside. So weekly is bullish. Not looking good like this. Weekly is bullish. This looks more probable than GBP/JPY because all the time frame are bullish right now. So I'm going to type 4 as bearish because it is going to get bearish pretty soon. Daily retracement candle, daily doji candle. That's what I'm waiting for. Looking to buy. Probability is extremely high. That right there is a trade for us. So when it is going to happen, the best thing is I probably guess so. It is going to happen on Wednesday. 2 days is equals to WED Wednesday with a very high chance because should I say this? Okay. You just see market. For Monday it is sideways. For on Tuesday it took a lot of stop losses. And on Wednesday it just on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the trend push upside or downside. The actual movement happened after Wednesday. Monday, Tuesday, it's like, fuck, going to quit cook. This trade is going to come on Wednesday, and this trade is going to come on Tuesday. Pretty much, I will more lean for Wednesday trade because just see and going back in time. I have once when I was making like when I have make like $14,000, very high, like 90% of my trade was taken on Wednesday only. So I like this trade. I really like this trade. So it is like it is a thing. But the thing is, we don't have we don't have this into our checklist. This is our checklist, and we don't have this type of trade. But crazy, right? I need to look into it. Checklist outside of checklist. Trade is outside of checklist. If I get every single thing which I want, I will think about this. I'm not here to take the trade instantly. I will be think about this. I will look into it that hey, this is outside from the checklist. Are you okay if you lose? Or should I take the trade which is proven to make money? Or should I take the trade which is not proven to make money? Of course, I will take this trade which is proven to make money. Satya. Look at this. It's so beautiful. As I said, it happens. Who's this? What the? Mm, you wouldn't believe, man. Whenever I'm opening this LinkedIn, I'm saying the only Salesforce, Salesforce, Salesforce. I don't know what one thing I've learned in recruiting. Not every yes should happen immediately. Whenever like it's in top of my page, Salesforce, Salesforce. Something and somewhere we are getting the like hints that I don't know, man. Man, look at this. I mean, this is my dream company, man. Look at this. Like, Salesforce is my fucking dream company. If I want to do the job, if I'm going to do the job, Salesforce is only the thing. If there is no Salesforce, I hate jobs. What the fuck? Look at this. I accept the offer letter. What the fuck is happening over here? Software intern, Summer Francisco. Are yaar, one more Salesforce. Someone in India recently asked me, "Will you go to the gym? Are you professional?" What the fuck? Ah, come on, come on, come on. I'm not a job boy. I'm a trader. I'm a billionaire. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't know, man. Again, so why in the world you thinking like why Salesforce? Because it's emotionally attached. I have very much history in my Salesforce. I don't know. Let's continue to where we left off. NZD CAD. Exactly what I said, brother. You wanna see? NZD CAD. Oh yeah, look at this.
2025. Yeah, look at this. 2 June 2025. Yeah. And there is so much more. And good. I need you to create the engulfing candle to show me that you are.
So what I said, I need to create the engulfing candle. Look at this. We created the engulfing candle. Looks like we are going to push the downside from here to easily. This is like easy money right there. Now the question is, I have to take the decision like what trades I'm going to take. But before I make any decision, look at this is a very beautiful structure. Whenever we are above, we buying. Even this is also the area of interest. Like whenever we are above buying, above buying, above buying, below selling. So right now we have shifted. Daily is bearish. Daily shifted bullish, which is what buyers came in, and they stop loss it up on one candle. Within one candle it just, it's like they slap buyers on their face. We'll just delete every single, what the fuck I was doing over here. So what I'm waiting for over here, I'm waiting for the exact same thing which I'm waiting for on every single currency. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Daily retracement candle, daily doji candle. That's it. I'm waiting for a. This looks good to me, kinda. Oh, this is super choppy. Holy shit, this is something fucking choppy right there. Oh, this right there is choppy zone. Now I have to ask to myself, what the fuck I should be doing right now? Should I enter into choppy zone? But right now the thing which I wanted is happened to the perfection. That means it is continue to do the things which I wanted. That means continue to follow my rules. I'm not gonna lie, but this is also the area of interest I can see. Because whenever we are above, we're buying. Let me change this color. Buying, above buying, selling, above buying, selling. And right now we are above. Look at this. This is layer. Now, 1 minute before it was looking good. Now 1 minute after, I'm like, look at this. The sideways. Wow. This is so respected zone now. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let me check the technicals. Technicals are saying neutrals. How about buying? Sorry, daily. Daily is neutral. How about 4 hours? I know this thing doesn't work, but why not to give a try? It's free. Look at this. This whenever we are above, we're buying. Under we're selling, above buying. If I just delete this, big moves. Where the big move is coming from? Big move, big move, big move, big move. So the question is, small move. We don't want to consider one. There is only one big move over here. Then technically there is no move. Small move, small move. Crazy, right? Crazy. This is like a crazy. It's not the high probable. You know what? Nah, not interested. Oh, now this looks interesting to me. NZD USD. What's up? Wait a minute. Where are we? We are on a lower slope, but ठीक है. we're doing good in the price action area. It has to come up till here. Now you're like, what the fuck with this? Who told you it is going to come? I know. I've invested my 6 years in this. Alright. Let me see it correctly. This is our last currency. Yeah, this looks good. Above buying, rejection. This looks more cleaner than NZD cat. It's a bit crazy. We need to find the good trades. I just need daily to get bearish. Daily is bullish. Not looking good. No trade. No trade. Eventually, this is going to come up till here, and then it is pushing to up till here. But we need to have the daily bullish. Sorry, bearish. Daily is bullish. No trade. No, no trade, bro. No trade. So we just have two currencies in our hand, man. This looks not good. In the next week, we'll be having a lot more currencies than ever before. But we're just going to take only one currencies at a single time. So look at this. Okay, so technically we have finished the Tuesday. Tomorrow, let me just shortlist this trade Wednesday. On Wednesday, yeah. Look at this. So the third section of this video has been over. That is the technical analysis, pure technical analysis. Now let's go for the fourth section. The fourth section is going to be the recap of what trades I'm going to look into and what I'm looking into in that trades. So if you have came directly from start of the video over here, this is what you want. Take it. So in GBP JPY, what as per our checklist as a trade, we got weekly retracement and weekly doji candlesticks. We got weekly retracement, weekly got doji candlesticks, so we can easily take this trade from here to here because it is going to create the candle from here to here because it has to, it want to. So if I'm looking to take this trade from buying from right here, okay, to right here. So what in the world I'm waiting for? I am waiting for the daily candlestick closure above this candle. If this candlestick close above this candle, then we'll be wait for the retracement and we'll be taking this trade on Tuesday for buying to the upside. That daily candlestick going to close. This is going to create the 4 hours higher high and it is going to close like this, which is going to retracement of the 4 hours on a daily. So over here we're going to take the trade. Like this looks brilliant trade like anything. I like this. So we'll also be about the 4 hours EMA. 1 hour is also going to get bullish. Looks good to me. At least it's a very high probable than whatever I can able to see. So this is what I'm looking into on GBP JPY. The next is only two currencies. The other currency is OD and ZD. In OD and ZD, this is also the high probable because there is no rejection is going to come from this place, and it is going to continue to go up. Where the fuck it is gone? It is going to continue to go up because this odd currency, only odd, is pumping to the upside, or the odd which is below, which is pumping to the downside. So it is pumping to the upside. So look at this, like it has created a new structure. Daily is right now creating the higher high, higher low. So we need to wait for the retracement and a doji candlesticks on this daily time frame, which is also going to fill the fair value gap of the weekly time frame. If it is going to come down and it is going to close over here, so I'm looking to take the trade from here. Holy shit, that's huge. So I'm looking to take the trade long position from here, keeping a stop loss like this to here. So this is a trade which I'm looking and very much interested into, but the only thing which is that this is the weekly is bit above, and also the second thing is which is not, this trade is outside of my trading checklist. This checklist is proven to make us money, and this trade is outside of that checklist. So I have to make the decision, should I, am I going to take the trade which is outside of checklist, which is not proven to make money, which is proven to lose money, or should I take the GBP which is which is proven in my checklist and also proven to make money, and we also have the high probability setup. We have every single thing which we want to. So technically this is more GBP I will be leaning more on the GBP because just want to take the high probability setups. That's all. That's all for now. That's it, brother. That's it. I mean, this is what I wanted to tell you. Either we gained, yeah. So timing. I'm waiting for the daily candlestick closure above this candle. So as per the timing, I think like it is going to close on Monday above this candle on Monday. Also having the engulfing candle, and this is going to do the things which is wanted to do. And after the daily candlestick close on Monday, we'll be taking a trade on Tuesday at 6:30 a.m. If every single thing we got, we have. Odd NZD, it is good. The trade is going to come on Wednesday. If everything else, every single thing is going to be good, then yeah, we'll be going to look into it on Wednesday. I need a daily retracement candle, daily doji candle, then I will be able to take the trade the upside. So this is what it is. This is every single thing which I have shown to you. This is a trade which I'm going to take, man. And guess what? The losses which we have done up till now, where it is, yeah, Canada. The losses which we have done up till now is the losses done just because of me, because I have took the trade which is not inside the plan. So plan is make to the trading plan is make for the proven track record for making money. If I'm going out of the plan, that means it is proven to lose money, and which I've done, and fuck happens. This fuck happens, and I lost this much amount of dollars, and it's completely okay. I can recover it, not a big deal. But the thing is, why in the world? If I will be a professional trader, I shouldn't be doing this, right? So I'm not ready for professional trading. This is what it was meaning. So just because of creating the checklist, being disciplined, being this, being that, is what is making me professional trader. Look, go this negative drawdown time period is the time period where you learn a lot more things than your profitable time period. And guess what? This would never be my. You know what? If I follow this checklist, I would right now end up in Dubai. Seriously, I would right now end up in Dubai, and end up in the yacht, end up in the yacht with the friends. Just because of my mistakes, I got out of the trading plan, have slapped me on the face, and right now I literally got selected for a job, and from tomorrow they calling me for joining, just to work on $100 per month. It's bullshit, bullshit. $100. My risks per trade is $800 $900, which is like a 10 months of salary if I go on job. Bullshit. The job is not going to make me what I want to become. It's financial free. So only and only trading is going to become. I don't think so. I'm going to get out from the plan. I will never go out to the plan. If this trade is saying that go out of plan, sorry, I don't want you. GBJPY, I'm just going to focus on you. Yeah. If the trade is there on GBJPY, I will take it. If there is no trade, I will sit hands on hand, because I have learned my lesson by going out of the trading plan. Going out of the trading plan is going to make me stay it at my home, at my hometown, which is, I don't want to say, but I don't want to say about this. So I want to shift to Dubai, man. This is what my dream, what my goal is. In if I were on the I will show you. Hold on. If I will stick to this trading plan, I have done the backtesting once more. Wait, no, not this. I have done the backtesting of over here. I could literally end up making $7,000 profit and the $4,000 profit on the January 6th and January 28th. So on February, there was no trading activity happen. I mean, there was trading activity happen, but there was no trades actually. So there was no complete trading thing scenario. December also not a high probable setup. So we could easily end up making 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, $12,000. So tell me, by using a $12,000, going to Dubai and spending 2 lakhs per month, that is $2,000 per month, I could easily stay up there, end up staying up there, end up meeting a lot of big traders. I could, like do what other, I mean, I could end up enjoying the Dubai scenario. I mean, this is like this by was sticking to a trading plan. And what I've bullshitly done. Like I will show you. I have every single thing. I have every single thing. Look at this. CHFJPY. Bullshit trade. There was no tick profit. Sorry, there was no doji on the weekly time frame. There was no slowdown movement. There was no engulfing candle on the weekly. And I took the sell trade. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. I just I just about to lose and I came out break even. GBP odd. I took the loss over here. Why? There was no take profit right there. Whenever we are above, we're buying. Whenever we are above, we're buying. I took the sell trade over here. Also, it is also saying that whenever we are above, we're buying, and it just hit to my stop loss. GBP cat. Bullshit. Like this is like a bullshit. The same trade. Like why in the world I'm taking the same trade, GBP cat and GBP odd, if both are going to move at same place? Why I'm just fucking over risking, over exposing my capital. Same trades, same, not different currency, but same trade. If one goes up, other also go up. One go down, other also go down. If I'm going to buy on a both currency, and if one currency go down, other currency also going to go down. That means I'm going to lose in the two currencies. Why in the world it should be Euro USD? A bullshit. Like this is like intraday. What the fuck intraday is? Am I an intraday trader? No. Have I backtested this strategy for years and years? No. Why in the world I have took this trade? It's like took this trade on the $1 lakh account and $8 minus $800 loss. Why? Bullshit mistake. This is what I'm saying. This is all the mistakes which I have done. I sat into place and I was like, yeah, Udesh, you need to look into it. Why we have doing losses? This is also the bullshit intraday trade. Bullshit wrong trade. Look at this. I haven't waited for the 4 hours candlestick closer. I must have the 4 hours candlestick closer. 4 hours need to get bearish because only one time frame was bull. Like all the time frame was bullish, and I just need to have the one candlestick to close, which I didn't waited. I was so overconfident that I was like, yeah, it is going to close, and I am going to took the early trade because I know it is going to close. And I'm like, what the fuck? Why in the world? I mean, after doing loss, after the market slapped me on my face, I understand. Oh, I'm nothing. I'm no good. I have things to learn more. On GBP CAD, look at this. This is same trade. GBP JPY, GBP CAD has both same currency. If one trade is going to go up, look at this. If this gone up, other currency is also going to go up. Look at this bullshit. Okay, this is. Oh, okay. Look at this. Look at CAD JPY. Look at this. CAD JPY and GBP JPY. Yeah, and NZD JPY as well. 17 February, look at the timing, 7 or 2 February. So this 2 February and 2 February, this 2 February I took the two trades, CAD JPY and GBP JPY. Why in the world I have took the two same trades, JPY and JPY? Why? What the fuck was that? If one currency is going to go down, other is also going to go down. I'm just over exposing my risk. I need to choose only one, the high probable setup. This looks good. In that case, bullish, bearish. In that case, this was bullish, bearish, bullish. So I must be waiting for this JPY. JPY looks good to me because two time frame was in sync. we need to have the wait for a daily 4 hours candlestick closure below this candle, which was happening, but then I took the early trade. Bullshit. Like this is the bullshit current. Like I was see I'm still a good trader. I'm not a bad trader. No, I'm very extremely bad trader, but I'm very extremely good analyst. I'm predicting the market to the perfection, but I am taking the trades very wrongly. So, analyst, I'm not following the rules of what I should be wanting on as per my analysis. I want daily retracement candle. By taking the trade, I must be waiting for the daily retracement candle. I haven't waited. Fuck loss. So to to connect this gap, I'm very good in prediction. I'm very good analyst, but I'm not a good trader. I'm not waiting for the candlestick closure, this and that. To bridge this gap, to complete this gap, I have successfully created this checklist, trading checklist. Whatever trade, if I'm going to buy, I'm just going to look into it. I have connected this gap where my analyst what I want to see in the market, and while taking the trade what I must be having before I take the trade. This gap is going to get bridged by just watching this checklist. And hey, no matter what, I am not going to sell this because I have put a lot my heart in this. I am not going to sell this. I'm not going to share this to anyone. So this is just for me. I don't know. I really don't want people to, because this is a use thing, okay? And if I were having this checklist before taking that non bullshit trade which I show you right now, I could easily avoid my $7,200 loss, and easily would be about 14 12 14,000 which I've shown. Bullshit, man. This was bullshit. I'm having regret. So now I have learned the lesson. This is like an exact same pattern I'm feeling before like a 3 4 days. Regret. Before sleeping. I have decided like I am going to wake up at like 6 o'clock, and when the 6 o'clock alarm on, I was closing it and I was sleeping it. Okay, and I was waking, I was going to washroom, and then again I was coming and sleeping. And I was like, yeah, we'll wake up late. And I woke up at like after that I woke up. I'm waking up at like 9 or 10 o'clock, which is worst. And after waking up, I was like, fucking regret. Why I haven't, why I haven't listened to me. Yesterday night I told myself that I'm going to wake up. Who the fuck is this? Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is and I'm calling you from Grateful Child Welfare Foundation.
Okay.
Yeah. सुन पा रहे हैं आवाज आ रही है आपको मेरी?
Yes, yes, सुन पा रहा हूँ.
ये गवर्नमेंट रजिस्टर्ड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन संस्था है भैया, ऑल्सो इनकम टैक्स रजिस्टर्ड, जो गरीब अनाथ बच्चों के लिए हेल्प एंड सपोर्ट करती है,
Okay.
गरीबी फैमिलीज के लिए.
Uh-huh.
तो मेरा जो कॉल करने का रीजन है आपको, एक्चुअली क्या है ना, हम कुछ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट वॉलंटियर्स हैं
Mm-hmm.
जो राइट नाउ एक कैंपेन रन कर रहे हैं. एक हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में इमरजेंसी केस रेफर हुआ है.
Okay.
12 साल की बच्ची है वो, उस बच्ची का नाम है गुरवानी कौर.
Mm-hmm.
एंड ये बच्ची इस टाइम पर थैलेसीमिया मेजर जैसी बीमारी से सफर कर रही है.
Mm-hmm.
आप जानते होंगे, सुनी होगी आपने ये बीमारी थैलेसीमिया मेजर टाइप ऑफ ब्लड डिसऑर्डर. ओके.
Mm-hmm.
हाँ, मैं बताना चाहूँगा आपको, डॉक्टर ने बताया है बच्ची की जो कंडीशन है काफ़ी ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल है, क्योंकि इस बच्ची के बॉडी में ना बिल्कुल भी ब्लड सेल्स नहीं बन पा रहे.
Mm-hmm.
एंड जैसा कि आप जानते हैं सर, ब्लड सेल्स न बनने की वजह से हमारी जो बॉडी के वाइटल ऑर्गन धीरे धीरे सपोर्ट करना बंद कर देते हैं.
Mm-hmm.
बट रिसेंटली ये बच्ची ना लास्ट 4 मंथ से हॉस्पिटल में एडमिटेड है. सबसे ज़्यादा सेड पार्ट ये है सर, मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा,
Mm-hmm.
तो पेरेंट्स इतने ज़्यादा कैपेबल नहीं है इस बच्ची का ट्रीटमेंट अफोर्ड करना.
Mm-hmm.
सिंगल मदर है जिस बच्ची के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रही है.
Mm-hmm.
मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा सर, आपकी क्रिटिकल लास्ट 5 ईयर से ये बच्ची थैलेसीमिया मेजर जैसी बीमारी से स्ट्रगल कर रही है.
Mm-hmm.
मदर है जो ऑनलाइन बेटी. हेलो.
हाँ, yeah.
कोई भी फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट नहीं है. फादर इज नॉट कैपेबल, फादर married already for 3 years पैरालाइज ओके
Okay.
या और 3 साल से पैरालाइज है तो आप सोच सकते हैं हाँ 12 साल की एज में इतनी बड़ी बीमारी के लिए सफर करी
Mm-hmm.
एंड डॉक्टर ने फाइनली बोला है कि ना लाइफ को सेव करने के लिए कुर्बानी की लाइफ को बचाने के लिए हमारे पास एक ही ऑप्शन है पीएमटी से यदि आपने सुने हो बोन मैरो ट्रांसप्लांट ओके
Mm-hmm.
ये गवर्नमेंट ये
Mm-hmm.
बोन मैरो ट्रांसप्लांट ये काफ़ी ज़्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड और एक्सपेंसिव ट्रांसप्लांट है सर
Mm-hmm.
तो समझ सकते हैं आप इस बच्चे की कंडीशन इस टाइम पर तो हम कुछ कॉलेज स्टूडेंट वॉलंटियर्स मिलकर इस बच्चे के लिए स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं ऑल ओवर इंडिया में एक ग्लोबल कॉल कर रहे हैं वन टाइम रिक्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं कि एज अ ब्रदर एज अ फादर अपना एक कदम आगे बढ़ा के इस बच्चे की हेल्प में सपोर्ट करना जो कि
Mm-hmm.
आपसे वैल्यूबल सपोर्ट है
Okay.
प्लीज मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगा सर अगर आप मेरे को अलाउ करें फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच आपने मेरे को इतना टाइम दे दिया टाइम डिवोट किया अपना
Mm-hmm.
कंसर्न को कर रहे हैं इस बच्चे के लिए बट मैं बताना चाहूँगा आपको अगर 30 सेकंड मैनेज करके हमारी वेबसाइट ओपन करके इस बच्चे की केस के बारे में सेकंड वेरीफाई करना है टैक्स वगैरह हाँ जी बोलिए
तो कितना कितना हेल्प कर सकता हूँ मैं?
सॉरी कैन यू रिपीट अगेन सर
How much I can help you?
Sir, it is totally up to you. Whatever, it doesn't matter. You will donate 1 rupees or 1 lakh, but your any help, it will be a great help for Qurbani, sir.
How I can help
So
you?
please, you can donate to our official website. Any who you feel comfortable, like debit card, credit card, or the UPI also, the scanner.
Tell me the
also,
website.
the phone. Yeah, you can just open a Google or URL address bar. Please type it's www.
Mm-hmm.
G for great, C for capital, W for welfare, F for foundation.
Mm-hmm.
www.gcwfngo.org.
NGU. .org.
Yeah, it's a Grateful Child Welfare Foundation. And may I know in which device you can log in our website, like on the mobile phone or other device, laptop or PC?
I'm on a laptop, but it is saying that Safari can't find the server.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can see the homepage of our organization,
Um,
Grateful Child Welfare Foundation, right?
no, I mean this thing is saying like there is no website such kind of thing.
Maybe are you open the website on your laptop through the office network or the other network? Maybe it's do you have a proxy over there?
No, official only. GC.
Official.
Yeah.
Maybe so can you can just type www.gcwfngu.org and after that you can see there is a organization. The name is Grateful Child Welfare Foundation. Can we let me what is the
Um,
problem you can face it?
is that NGO or NGU? Okay. Yeah, it loaded. So it was NGO. I heard NGU.
Yeah, NGO, N for nation,
Yeah.
G for great, O for orange,
Yeah.
dot org, NGO.org.
Yeah. Okay. I'm donating. Okay, just give me a minute.
Yeah. I'm on the line, sir, and I'm really thank you so much. Like you can giving your precious time. Today's time only one person out of 100 come forward and save a beautiful life. So whatever help you can bring, we can utilize. You have got time in degree treatment.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and after see the Grateful Child Welfare Foundation, you can see there is a three parallel lines over there, right side corner, right? You can just click on three parallel lines. You can see the option over there.
I directly click on donate and
Yeah, sure. You can click on donate. After that,
yeah.
you can see there is a donation form.
Yeah.
Yeah, are you
I'm
60 person? You can mention your full details. Otherwise, you can blank the column and you can click on proceed to pay. Right?
okay. So
Okay. And thank you so much, sir. And any roughly idea like how much about you can contribute? Like we have to submit some medicine or injection in the hospital, and we have to collecting like 25,000 rupees. We have to submit in the hospital within 2 hours. So apart for 25,000, whatever help you can bring, it's a really great help, sir.
I
This time,
see.
you are not just a donor, but a savior for this poor child.
Why don't you like connect to the government? No, 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 no. Like some operations is getting. Just give me a second. Just give me a
You can
second.
check the you can check our organization credibility through the government website. If you can allow, I can tell you the government portal. It's you can just log in if you don't mind.
No, no, no. I'm okay. I just some donate. I donated. I donated.
Yeah, sure. Please, you can do it right.
Yeah, done,
And
done,
after that, please let me know. We can provide you proper acknowledgement.
done,
You need
done.
to send the form, sir.
Yeah, done.
That's sir.
Yeah,
So I am on the line, sir. Please, you can do it right now. We can
yeah, done.
use
Payment
your time.
successful. Yeah, done.
Yeah, yeah,
So that's it. Hello. Yeah, done, done.
yeah. Done.
Yeah, done.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Yeah,
so
I
much
will.
for your
Okay.
help.
I will give you
And
feedback. Okay, like you are calling
sure,
for a
sure.
hundred people now.
Yeah,
Why
yeah.
only one person is giving donate? Because your conversation tone should be matching. See, I have learned this cold calling. So I will just give you feedback. Okay, what I have learned from that foreign billionaire. He told me
Okay, okay,
how
okay.
to talk so that people will pay you. So
You can, yeah.
yeah, your opening line should be, hey, what if your child needs a help and no one is helping?
So many people donate, sir, because we are reaching out all over India. People, thousand plus people we can reach out. So that's why reason so many people come forward and check the proper details. After that, they people decide like he will donate or not. But as I told you, before 2 days back, one of our donor, Mrs. Rupa Shetty, she will
Mm-hmm.
donated like a 50,000 rupee directly in his mother account, sir, because
Mm-hmm.
child already admit in a hospital since 4 months ago.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it's a totally transparent organization, sir. We
Yeah,
will
no, no,
update
no.
you every time, sir.
Exactly,
Yeah.
exactly. What I was saying that I was giving feedback on your call, like how you should talk
Yeah.
so that how other people also, if you're calling 100 people, how 90 people will pay you, and just 10 people will say no.
Yes, yes.
I was
Because
giving feedback for you. Like
uh,
you after someone pick up the call, you should say, "Hey, I'm helping this girl, and
yeah.
you don't need to pay like a lot of money. You just need to pay like one rupees, 1 to 5 or whatever amount you have. And what if your child is in a hospital, no one is able to pay, no one is paying, then
Uh,
yeah. So like you should be talking like, oh, the person, your child is in the hospital, then will you help? What do you how you feel like if no one is helping you? The same we are feeling right now. That's why I'm calling you. You should be like, you should do this. So okay, so yeah, I've done it. I've also given you feedback. I hope it will make you feel people will donate you. All right.
sir, I appreciate that you have already done the help, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, sir. Please also pray for the child.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I will for sure. Thank you. Yeah. All right. I'm like, someone called me, and they was like, yeah, there's need a child and whatnot, and I'm like, I don't know that story is true or not, but if that story is true, then fuck, I need to help them. So I help, like I send a 10 rupees, like whatever I can send, I have sent. I can send more, but if I was having more, then I could easily like give more. But yeah, you always need to help other people, man. I just wanted to tell you, you always need to help other people. If you help other, then others will help you. It's a give and take, brother. If you're not going to help other, even that's a fraud. I don't care if I pay to the fraud. But what if that was true? What if that was true, right? So let's do it. Let's do this. Um, yeah. So this is it. This is it, brother. This is it. Stay tuned. Let's close it. I think so. We are good to go. We can close this. Signing off. This is only a trade which I'm looking into to take the trade GPGPY. That's it. Only a trade which is matching into my checklist. Not other single currency is getting matched. But I know the currency which I have discarded right now, which was into Wednesday thing, it is going to play out. I'm this sure that it is going to play out. But I don't want. I'm done going out of my plan because I have learned the lesson from these from the market now. I'm done going out of the plan. Now I've just wanted to stick to the plan to make me profits like anything. Signing off. Have a wonderful day ahead. No, of course not. I wanted to say this. Control D, no. Control S. Alright, boys. Signing off. Keep helping others. And yeah. Anything. Should I? I want to say something, but yeah, it's completely okay. Signing off. Peace.